Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a Diffle puzzle. This is Wordle, but we don't know how long a word is, so I like to start with a word that's got all the vowels in, and we'll go for facetious again today. Ooh, that's ruled out a lot of common letters. We've got only a C, E, and O out of those. The C and E are green, that means they appear in the word in that order, but they're not joined together, which means they're not consecutive. We've also got a yellow O, that means it appears in the word somewhere, but in this instance, because it's yellow, it has to be before the E, although we don't know if it's before or after the C. So, the easiest thing would be to just put the O somewhere between the C and the E, since we know they're not consecutive. Let's hope it won't be too much of a chore. Okay, the E is in the wrong place, so that has to be somewhere before the R. But the C, O, R are all green, so they're in that order. So it's probably C, O, E, R in that order, with presumably some other letters. The C is definitely the first letter. You can see it's got a hard border on the left. It's not a circle anymore. So we correctly put it in position 1. So I'm a little bit worried it could be concern. Although it can't be, actually, because then the CE, there would be a consecutive CE, and they'd have been joined together on the first guess. So it can't be that. So it could just be something like cover or coda. We'll try one of them. Oh, okay, so the CO are the first two letters. They're joined together. They've got a hard border on the left to indicate that we correctly put them in first position. The ER are definitely the last two letters for the same reason. I guess we just have to hope that we get the middle letter right sooner rather than later. Of course, we don't actually know it's a 5-letter word. Could be cold. I think it could be colder. I'm going to try that because it's probably a more common word than coda. And if it's wrong, it rules out 2 letters in one go. I suppose that's the other possibility, the other advantage, I suppose, for going for colder. I mean, it could be Cora with a duplicated R. Oh no, in fact it can't be again, because the OR would have been joined together on the second row. Cower? That is a word. Oh dear, this is such a disaster. Oh, we just said it can't be Cora. I mean, what can it be? Cooper? Duplicated O? Oh, it is a duplicated O, but it's not Cooper. Cooer? That's not a word, is it? Cooker! Cooker is definitely a word. Oh, I don't do enough cooking, apparently, because I should have got that faster. 7 guesses, and we were so close after just 2 or 3. That was a bit frustrating, but at least we got there in the end. That is Diffle. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.